Hardik Pandya and Nata Stankovic are facing accusations of faking their split. Stay tuned as we unpack the details and uncover the truth behind these claims. In a recent turn of events, Indian cricketer Hardik Pandya and actress Nata Stankovic have been accused of faking their split. The allegations arose after Nata posted a new picture on social media, sparking speculation among fans and followers. The couple, who tied the knot in a private ceremony in January 2020, have been under the media spotlight ever since their engagement. Their relationship, often highlighted by their public displays of affection and social media posts, took an unexpected turn when rumors of their split began to circulate. Hardik Pandya, known for his flamboyant style both on and off the field, faced criticism after being accused of seeking sympathy post-IPL. The allegations were further fueled by a post from Nata, which some interpreted as a sign that the couple had reconciled, leading to claims that their split was staged. The post in question featured Nata in a serene setting, captioned with a cryptic message. Fans were quick to connect the dots, suggesting that the couple had never actually separated. Sympathy bait raha tha IPL ke baad, commented one user, implying that Hardik was garnering sympathy post the IPL season. The comments section was flooded with mixed reactions. While some fans expressed relief at the possibility of the couple being together, others were more skeptical. One user wrote, "Hardik and Nata are just playing with their fans' emotions, reflecting the growing cynicism among followers." Despite the backlash, neither Hardik nor Nata have publicly addressed the rumors. Their silence has only added fuel to the fire, leaving fans and critics to speculate about the true nature of their relationship. Hardik Pandya, who has always been candid about his personal life, seemed to take a different approach this time. His social media accounts remained devoid of any hints or clarifications, prompting fans to question the authenticity of the split. Pandya's focus appeared to be on his cricket career, as he continued to participate in matches and training sessions. "It's all a distraction tactic," claimed another user, suggesting that the split rumors were a ploy to divert attention from his professional setbacks. Nata, on the other hand, kept her posts light and unrelated to the controversy. Her pictures and videos showed her enjoying life, but without any direct reference to the speculation. "She's keeping it classy," noted a fan, applauding her for maintaining dignity amidst the rumors. The couple, who are also parents to a young son, have always emphasized the importance of family in their lives. Their apparent reconciliation has led some to believe that they were prioritizing their child's well-being. "Maybe they just needed a break," commented a user, offering a more sympathetic perspective. One of the more poignant comments read, "We should respect their privacy. Relationships have ups and downs, and they deserve to handle it without public scrutiny." While the controversy continues to brew, the true story behind Hardik Pandya and Nata Stankovic's relationship remains unclear. As public figures, they face constant scrutiny, but it's important to remember that they are also human beings navigating their personal lives. Whether the split was real or a calculated move, one thing is certain: the couple has managed to keep everyone guessing. As we await any official statement from them, The debate continues online and in the media. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive updates from the world of entertainment. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest uploads. Until next time, keep the gossip alive and stay tuned for more juicy stories.